Hi, I'm Rocky, and welcome to my channel, How to CMM. In this video, I'll show a step-by-step guide on how to report a trace field in PC-DMIS. We will report 3 different trace field examples in our report. The 3 fields are part number, lot number, and operator. You can also use the same steps to add any additional trace fields that may be required for your report. First, start by opening a measurement routine that you want the trace fields to be captured. I have a blank routine open for clarity. Insert a trace field for the part number. Click Insert, Statistics Command, Trace Field. Under Name, type part number. Under Display Message, type what is the part number. Make sure Display is checked and Report is not checked. Then, click OK. Let's repeat the same steps for lot number and operator. Click Insert, Statistics Command, Trace Field. Under Name, type lot number. Under Display Message, type what is the lot number. Again, make sure Display is checked and Report is not checked. Then, click OK. One last trace field. Click Insert, Statistics Command, Trace Field. Under Name, type Operator. Under Display Message, type Operator Name. This time, click the Add button and add an additional name. This will display a drop-down box for the operator to choose from. Click on the Preview button. You can see that there is now a drop-down menu for the operator with multiple names. Again, make sure Display is checked and Report is not checked. Now, we need to create an assignment. This will allow us to create a variable for each trace field. Let's go back to Insert and click Assignment. Change the Assigned to part or any variable that's not already used in your routine. Click on the Assign From tab. Make sure Functions and Operators is selected in the drop-down. Look for Get Trace Value and select it. Delete the 0. Click the Add Get Trace Value button to insert the code. In between the parentheses, type part number, exactly like I have it in the trace field. Make sure you type the quotation marks or this will not work. Click OK. Repeat the same steps for the lot number and operator name. There is only one last step before we test it. Start typing comment The word comment should autofill. Hit Tab and start typing report. Again, report should autofill. Hit Tab twice to bring your cursor to the first line of the comment box. Hit the spacebar and hit enter. In quotation, type part number, hit the spacebar twice, end quote, hit the spacebar twice again, type add part. Hit enter to start the next comment line. In quotation, type lot number, spacebar twice, end quote, hit the spacebar twice again, type add lot. Hit enter to start the next comment line. In quotation, type operator, spacebar twice, end quote, hit the spacebar twice again, type add name. Hit enter to start the next comment line. Before we move forward, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Okay? Let's finish the operation. In order to test if the code works properly, highlight the Tracefields, assignments, and comments, and click Ctrl L. Fill in the 3 fields accordingly, and click OK. Refresh the report. If you see the 3 fields in the report, the code is correct. If not, review that the code is entered properly, refresh the report again, and see if it worked. I have created a script for this code to make things faster. It takes a few seconds, and the code imports right into your measurement routine. The script also has some additional trace fields not in this video. I left them out to keep the video a little shorter. It's not something you absolutely need, but there is less room for human error, meaning there is no need to troubleshoot, and you will not need to know these steps. If you're interested, look for the link below. That's it. We did it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, one last time, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm Rocky, and this is How to CMM.